about how to set up the cover for the games like this. This is it, like this. Okay, and then how to input button on the game cover like this. Okay, this is the button. Okay, and please read this carefully, the notes. Control Enter is to play or preview our work. F9 is to display Actionscript, or you can check this. Okay, or you can check with window and then select actions to display Actionscript, and then FH to convert the symbol. Okay, first we're gonna convert the background. Use this background new and drag to the canvas. Okay, and then press FH. Okay, and convert to symbol, and we can change the name BG games underscore MC, and the registration point in on the left and the top left, and change this to movie clip. Okay, on the top left. Okay, you can change this, but we have to in the top left, and then check the export for Actionscript, and then okay. Next we delete this from the canvas. Just press the delete button. Okay, just press the delete button. Okay, and then click the Actionscript, and we try to write the script. First step is making variable. Okay, for big games, MC, next, enter. We make a function to set up cover. Void. Okay, enter. We define the variable and a child BG games. BG is background. Okay, and don't forget to write this. Okay, and then we can cover. Okay, don't forget to write this. Okay, click, and we can click Control and Enter, and we can see the background. Okay, next, wait. Okay, next we can input the button on the background movie clip. Double click this. Okay, and we can change the size to 50%, and then we drag and drop the button to the canvas like this. Okay, sorry, okay, and then we convert that to the button format. Press F8 to convert the button to the symbol. Okay, symbol, and we change the name, button play, and select button, and we in center point registration, and don't forget export for Actionscript. Don't check, and then we write the name on the properties. Okay, and then we the button display it on the screen, and then we can convert the sound button, sorry, sound. Okay, and write the name, then sound, and then button exit. Okay, and okay, button exit. Okay, library, we can check that we have 3 buttons on the cover games with the name. Okay, back to the scene 1. Okay, and we can preview this. Okay, thank you.